Hello dear friends, I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel JoyaTech. In this very short tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can increase your mobile battery life. If you don't know how to increase your mobile battery life, then stay with me and watch this video till the end and you can get this easily. So without wasting your further time, let's start today's topic. First of all, tap at your mobile settings. Now scroll it down, open the battery option. Now tap at save power, optimize this. Now scroll it down and you can see the performance mode. Tap at performance mode. Here you can see the option high performance mode, smart performance mode or no performance improvement. You can choose your favorite one, just like I'm tap at smart performance mode. Now go back. Now tap at app quick freeze. Here you can see the options, just toggle them if you want it. When the applications are not been opened, the system will be automatically freeze these apps. Now go back. Now tap at screen battery optimization. Here you can see your favorite option. Just tap at and you can easily manage to save your battery and it will be extended some more hours battery backup. Like this, you can change some steps and your battery life will be extended much more. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share this to your friends. Thanks for watching.